round one, and here we go.
What's up, ladies? Come on in. How are y'all doing? It is so good to see y'all. How are y'all doing? Miss Domino, you bend over backwards. Our kids, you try to take a deep dive into what's going on to make sure that we can address those things because they may trip up one time, but we want to set them up for success later on every time we go along. So, what you do for kids is amazing. Miss Echols, what you do is amazing. You are, honestly, y'all are amazing team. Michelle, you go through whatever's best for kids, whether it's, hey, let's keep rolling on your high school diploma, or hey, let's pivot, let's set you up for success. We're trying to get them back on track, get them back in a traditional school, and then let them finish, whatever that looks like. But thank you all for being a champion for kids. That's our motto this year, is be a champion. I just want to tell you thank you.
If we don't meet them where they are, we're going to lose them. So it's important to give them a second chance, a third chance, a fourth chance. I believe in chances. And take a look at what you did when you were a child. As a teenager, I made a lot of mistakes. So they're doing the same thing. And it's a learning experience. Every mistake is not the end of the world for them. It's an opportunity to learn and to become a better person.
These kids deserve it. They're not, we just don't say, oh, you made a mistake and that's it, you're done. Our belief is that if they have the right resources, if they have people who believe in them, we've seen them leave and do great things, whether it's a job, whether it's the workforce, going to Job Corps, going to get their high set diploma. Our goal is for them to be productive citizens, productive members of society. That's what we want to teach them. What are you going to do beyond here?
Establishing that rapport early on and listening and hearing what they have to say, that's most important. They think they're the only ones that's going through something, but I normalize it as much as possible for them so that they can understand that life is challenging. And if you don't get what you need now, when you become an adult, it's going to be more challenging. I want them to know that we care and there's other people in the world that care.